What's up, guys?
QRAF pilots or airmen who were on the beach also
What's up,
trying to get
Ray?
home.
Well, you can imagine it if you're on the beaches and you're absolutely exhausted, you've been defeated, you finally got onto a boat and there you see an RAF pilot. You just
Big
think,
day
wow,
para kay
I thought
Mama.
you were supposed to be protecting me, you know, and here you are, you're shot down and there aren't enough of you. You know, what the hell is going on? So a lot of the RAF pilots got a lot of grief.
Oh, sis na ikaw?
RAF pilots and Squadron Commander Anthony Barkley recalls the
Kiss the ducky.
his fellow
Stukas diving down. Debbie, it's all
Bye, Ma.
really. The scene you recently.
Babay ka na, try kay Mami la. Kiss na Mami la. Kiss mo na Mami la. Kiss mo na Mami la, dali. Alis na Mami la. Punta na Qatar.
Ay, ang ganda na smile niya. Wow!
Bye!
Bye. Ay! Ay!
Ano yung meron pa yan?
Bye. Bye.
Mami,
Bye.
outfit check.
Tara na. Kasi try na ka-dirty pa.
Bye, Trey!
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
What's up?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head.
Ayun na nga, sinasabi. Ang bilis ng araw. Wow, excited! Bye pa. Bye, Mami.
Hi.
Dala-dala ko to remote.
Oo nga. Ba't dinala mo yung remote?
Manonood pa ang TV.
Let's go! Yes, sir! Talaga naman.
Tapos wala ka rin mamaganda. Ba't inopen yung yung ilaw dito?
Oh, may CCTV.
Habang nasa
Wala na nakalimutan? Pa, wala na nakalimutan?
Charger mo ma.
Cellphone mo, ma.
Charger mo ma.
Ito na.
Ilan yung panty mong dala? Baka na pa.
Tay, tay. Hey. Let's go.
Aray. Wow! Sapatos mo.
Corolla ko yan.
Ito.
Yan, yan, yan. Paano na kayo? Mabilisan lang.
This is it.
Lock, lock.
Yan mo ba? Ano ang iyong pakiramdam?
Hoy, ano?
Yan.
Yung bangko!
Yes, sir.
Si kuya.
Kiss mo na, kiss mo na.
Inano na.
Kiss mo na, kiss mo na. Ay, sorry, sorry.
Maleta talaga siya. Hindi ka kasama. Okay, yung picture. Hindi ka kasama.
Buhat mo, buhat.
Agin.
Papa, papa.
Hi.
Picture, picture.
Hi. Tugtog na naman.
Bye-bye na, say bye na, bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye, ma.
Ingat kayo, Angela. Mag-iingat ka sa motor lagi.
Bye, mama, bye. 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 Ha, bye-bye.
Ingatan. Ingat kayo doon.
Bye-bye. Ingat,
Mata mo
ingat,
yung
ingat.
makina mo, ha?
Opo.
Picture ko kayo nga. Ay, pa. Ito, bilisan niyo.
Bye, guys.
Yak na sa 3-3.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye. Bye. Ay, iwan ikaw.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, bye pa, bye. Bye, ma.
Sakay mo na, sakay mo na.
Wala, iwan, iwan.